Hello guys, welcome to Maki Cafe. Today I'm gonna show you how to use my cheap espresso machine, Gemilai 3605. A $200 machine that can make good espresso, cappuccino, and latte. So let's start. Before I use it, I always check the water on the back and put some water. Then I will turn it on before I use my grinder to warm up the machine. This is the power button. This is the button for extraction. And this button is for hot water outlet. Then for this one is for steaming. After turning it on, I'm gonna grind from my 019 grinder. I will put 17 grams of coffee. Here. That's 15. That's 17.7. So I forgot to turn on the machine. So let's turn on the machine first and wait for 00 to come out before using it. Let's grind the bean. It's done. It's 14. Oh, it's over. It's now exactly 17 grams. Then I'm gonna use my distribution tool for it. Here. I'm gonna put down it first, then thumb it later. Let's back to Gemilai 3605. In my morning coffee routine, I always prepare 2 shots of espresso. 1 shot for pure espresso so I can taste the notes of the coffee, then 1 shot for my cappuccino. My standard grams for my Gemilai is I'm using 17 grams in and 36 grams out. 18 grams of liquid for espresso and 18 grams of liquid for cappuccino. Before I extract the coffee, I need to steam first my milk. Okay, let's start steaming the milk. Wait for 00. Let's check the power of the steam one first. You need to out the water first on the steam one. It's now okay. Let's start steaming. now let's extract coffee. I'm gonna use the machine again. I need to transfer first the milk here. I'm gonna thumb the portafilter. Okay. It don't fit, so I need to remove this first, so it can fit properly. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera so you can see properly. Now you should check the pressure gauge and the timer. Let's start. My target is 36 grams output. Okay, so I'm holding the button extraction. Now 25 grams. It's 38 grams, but it's fine. You can check the crema. Here. I'm gonna pour first the milk on my cappuccino before tasting the espresso. Okay. See, this is my cappuccino. Not so perfect heart shape. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's taste the cappuccino first. I use each proper beans. The sour is very little. It's good. You can drink the espresso, and the taste is, it's like toffee, nutty toffee, I think. A little nutty almond. And I'll taste the cappuccino. Oh. It's very good in milk, like you're drinking a super dark chocolate milkshake, but it's a hot version. So you see guys, this $200 espresso machine and $100 grinder can create decent cappuccino like Gaggia and Rancilio Silva. It's very cheap. Thanks for watching. Hope you watch my next video.